FP&A Case Study, Forecasting plus Budgeting Breakdown, with full example. Let's walk through FreshSip Beverages step by step, using clear drivers and simple math. You'll see how real FP&A teams build a budget, a quarterly forecast, and clean sensitivities. Business Snapshot. FreshSip sells 500 milliliter flavored water bottles. It operates through supermarkets and online channels. Revenue rests on two levers: volume sold and the average selling price, or ASP. COGS is driven by PET bottle cost, flavor concentrate, and freight. Opex is dominated by sales salaries and marketing spend. Last 12 months actuals, simplified. FreshSip sold 4.8 million bottles at an ASP of 22 rupees. That gives revenue of 105.6 crore. Gross margin sits near 42%. Opex totals around 30 crore. EBIT lands at 14.5 crore. Trend-wise, volumes have grown about 5% each quarter. Prices have been stable. COGS is rising due to resin inflation. Forecasting approach. We use two complementary approaches. A. Top-down check. Start with the market. The market grows 10% year over year. FreshSip wants to gain 0.5% share. This implies roughly 8% volume growth potential. This is a directional check, not the final number. B. Bottom-up build, main model. The bottom-up approach is the real engine. Volume equals stores times sell-through plus online units. Revenue equals volume times ASP. COGS equals volume times cost per bottle. Opex equals headcount plus marketing plus other overhead. Driver assumptions log. Simple bullets. Here are the assumptions, kept purely as quick bullets. Store count grows from 1,000 to 1,100. Units per store rise from 300 to 315. Online share moves from 18% to 20%. ASP increases from 22 to 22.5 rupees from quarter 2. Cost per bottle increases from 12.8 to 13.3 rupees. Sales team expands from 20 to 24 reps in quarter 2. Marketing spend rises from 6 crore to 7 crore. These bullets keep the section crisp, while still giving you every driver you need. And 1. Forecasting revenue, step by step. A. Store channel volume. Use the formula. Stores times units per store times 12. 1,100 stores times 315 times 12, approximately 4.158 million bottles. B. Online volume. Online is 20% of total units. Store volume is 80%. Total volume equals store volume divided by 0.80, approximately 5.197 million bottles. Online units are about 1.04 million. C. Total revenue. ASP becomes 22.5 rupees for 9 months of the year. Multiply volume by weighted ASP. Revenue, approximately 116.5 crore. Fine. Forecasting COGS. COGS per bottle rises to 13.3 rupees. Multiply by total volume. You get roughly 69.1 crore. Gross margin slips to about 41% because inflation hits resin costs. Opex Forecast. A. Headcount cost. 24 sales reps, each earning 12 lakh per year. Total equals 2.88 crore. B. Marketing. Marketing increases to 7 crore for brand campaigns. C. Other expenses. Overheads total 21 crore. Apply 3% inflation, and total Opex comes to roughly 30.9 crore. End. Forecasted P&L. Final output. Revenue, 116.5 crore. COGS, 69.1 crore. Gross profit, 47.4 crore, about 41% margin. Opex, 30.9 crore. EBIT, 16.5 crore. End. Budget versus forecast logic. Budget equals locked full-year plan, agreed once per year, used for targets and performance reviews. For FreshSip, the revenue budget becomes 116.5 crore. Forecast equals rolling quarterly update, updated with actuals every quarter. If resin costs fall, update COGS. If store growth slows, revise volume. Forecasts stay dynamic. Budgets stay fixed. Done. Sensitivity analysis. Simple example. A. ASP increase of 1 rupee impact equals volume times 1 rupee, approximately 5.2 crore more revenue. At 40% margin, EBIT rises about 2.1 crore. Resin cost drop of 50 paise margin improves by roughly 2.6 crore. 10 new stores. Each 10 stores add about 37,800 bottles a year. Revenue impact is around 0.85 crore. Excel structure pattern. A clean model follows this structure. Sheet 1. Inputs. Store count, ASP, COGS, hiring, inflation. One place. No scattered hard codes. Sheet 2. Drivers. Store volumes, online share, timing of price hikes, timing of cost changes. Sheet 3. Calculations. Monthly volume, revenue, COGS, Opex, then quarterly P&L. Sheet 4. Output dashboard, final P&L, revenue and cost bridges, scenario toggles, variance charts. Key interview takeaways. Always begin with drivers. Keep a clean assumption log. Forecast revenue, then COGS, then Opex. Run sensitivities so leaders know which levers matter. Keep Excel structured and modular. Last closing. You've now seen a full FP&A cycle for a real style business, from assumptions to the final P&L. This is exactly how strong FP&A teams build budgets and forecasts, and exactly what interviewers want to see.